Um, in this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to manage your account. So just type the company URL and press enter. As I've spoken before, just go on to this section and click login. If you are a new customer, you can log in through a new customer portal. Because I'm already registered, so I will log in through my ID. The moment I log in, we get into the My Account section. I'll go into the seller dashboard, which is very, very important, and we will discuss about this. First up is your dashboard. As you can read, just under the dashboard is my name, that is Dear Tabrez Naushad. Since I am not joined as yet, my effort ID is nil. Later, I will show that once I buy the products, then my effort ID will come in. My PAN card status is displayed here, which is blank. This is very important that you should fill your PAN card status, without which your payments will not be processed. They will be put on hold. Similarly, your bank details also have to be filled because we cannot sell payment without your bank details. Further look is that since I have not bought the products, so I'm not an active seller. My personal BV is nil. I have some money in my cash wallet. I'll just go through this later on. My reward point, my left BV, right BV, left group, red group, everything is nil. Please see this carefully because now I'm going to make a transaction and I'll come back to this dashboard and explain to you that everything here has changed once I've made a purchase. First up, I'm explaining the wallet from the left hand side panel. And since this is test data, so I'll just go through the ledger section. This will show you that some transactions have already been made by me. Okay. Next up, I'll explain the transfer tab. And I will just transfer some money to some other ID. I filled in the email address and now I'm filling the amount. Since I have 20,000 in my wallet, so I'll just fill 20,000. Next up, I need to request for an OTP. As you can see, we get a message box that the OTP has been sent on my registered mobile. I'll just obtain it from the mobile and fill it here. This is my OTP. One thing I want to mention here is that you should always have your mobile ready when you are making a transaction because OTP is one-time password which will come directly to your mobile. So I'm submitting this form now. I'll go back to the home page and I'll show you that the amount has been debited from my account. See, now my cash wallet is zero. Okay. It was 20,000 earlier as I had shown you. Now it has become zero. And I have transferred my fund to the other ID. Uh, See, since my cash wallet is zero now, so I think I will request the company to update my cash wallet so that I can make a purchase. So I'll go through the request section here. On the right hand side, you'll find the request payment button. I'll just press that. First up, I have to select a bank. So For example, if I'm selling the fund to HDFC Bank, I'm selecting HDFC Bank. Payment date, I'm selecting as today, and payment amount I'm selecting as 11,500. Request date is default. Uh, my holder name is support. The check number or the transaction number. This is very important. As we had talked earlier in the other video, you must have noted down the UTR number in case of NEFT, or you must have noted the IMPS unique transaction number, or otherwise, if you're making an ATM to ATM transfer, you will fill in your account number here. So I'm just filling some text data. Okay, and I'll make a remark of test data. I'm submitting this form. Um, Now we will have to wait for the company um to accept the request. And while we do that, I will just run through the rest of the user panel. So the first is the home tab, where we have the seller and the shopping section. Just go through the seller section. That gets us directly onto the dashboard. Okay. And oh my God. So my cash wallet has already been updated by 11,500 rupees, as you can see here. And I'll go next into the shopping section, and since I've got my money, so I'll do some shopping now. So I'll go into deals and I'll buy a combo deal. I'll just scroll down, and I'll add the products to cart. As you can see, my cart has been updated, and it's showing a cart value of 11,500 here. I'll just go and check out the cart now. No, I'm sorry. I'll go into the shopping cart first. So the moment I do that, I can see my products here. And next up, what I have to do, I have to add these free products we are getting, promotional products, and we'll have to add each of them to cart individually. So just click on add to cart button. The moment we click add to cart, on the right, we get a green banner displaying that you have successfully added the product to cart. So I'll just go and add all the 10 products. And every time I do that, you can see the green banner on the right. Once I have done that, then I can go and check out the cart. Billing details are by default, so I think we should go in for the continue button. Delivery address is default, so I will press the continue button. Delivery method is again default, it's free shipping, so we'll continue. Is the required smart details. This is a very important section, and please take note of this very carefully. We have to put in our direct and group effort ID, and as you people are so old in this, you know what direct and group effort ID is. So I'll just put my direct ID here. The moment I put this, it says reference ID is correct. I'll just put my group effort ID as the same. we can see here that it is saying left and right child both are available. Choose according. So I'll select the right child and press the continue button. So next is the option of payment by wallet, which is by default by wallet only. So we have to just agree and press the continue button. So this is the confirm order page, and as you can see that we can find all the 12 products listed here. Uh, we'll get an OTP at this point on our mobile, and just fill the OTP here and confirm the order. And my OTP I'm just filling. My order has been placed. I've got a banner on that, and everything is now done regarding the purchase. I'll just go into my account again and show what all changes have come into the seller dashboard. As we can see that now I have become an active seller. I've got an effort ID which was not present earlier. My personal BV has increased to 10,000. My cash wallet has reduced to 0 because I've used up my wallet amount to purchase the products. And later on, when there'll be more members joining below me, then I'll have a left, right BV and left group and right group amounts coming up. Moving on further, this is the profile section. This should be very carefully filled in by you. It is very, very important that you do this. So your bank account number, IFSC code of your bank, your PAN card, bank proof, and address proof should all be uploaded, because without this, we will not be able to make your payments. I'll go into the transactions section now, which talks about the business commission and TDS. So this is showing the ledger of my business, and as we had just made a purchase, you can see that everything, including the time when we made the purchase, my personal BV, left BV, everything is displayed in a ledger fashion. Moving on, the commission, because I don't have any members under me right now, so my commission entry is 0. Once we have lot of people joining under us and we generate an income, we'll be liable to pay tax deducted at source, which will be displayed here. Next is the effort section. Right? This displays the direct and the group effort. Then we have the reward point system, and we have the transfer and the ledger system here. So I think we have tried to explain everything regarding purchase of products and how to manage your account. One important thing we need to go again through is that the ledger section under the wallet. As you can see, this ledger is displaying a number of transactions which have been done by me, and these are going to be available to you at any point. You can see your history of transactions over here, and as you can see, we have displayed the shopping transaction here also, and the transfer transaction also. So this is a complete entry, and this will be very helpful for you. Thank you.